Hi, today I have Infinity Puzzle by Hanayama. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 6. And as always, the goal of this puzzle is to take it apart and to assemble it again. Let's open the box. Inside the box you can find puzzle itself, information about other Hanayama puzzles, and a small description, but there is no solution included. As you can see, our puzzle is made out of metal. It consists of 3 parts. 2 parts are cylindrical form and 1 part is outer part, which holds all these inner parts together. Both inner parts has cutouts. The left part has it and the right part has it. And the right part has Infinity name on it and Hanayama name. If you want to see the solution of this puzzle, you can keep watching this video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to solve this puzzle by yourself, stop watching now. Let's start. First, when you take this puzzle in your hands, immediately you can find that the left piece is moving. It goes up and down. And when you move it down, in halfway between up and down position, you can rotate it to the left. That's our first move. Second move is to turn the right part of our puzzle. And here you can find that all the moves we're gonna make have the same pattern. We move left part once, and then we move right part until the cutout moves from its original position to another side. So for this you have to move the right part. Sometimes you have to put it down to move, sometimes you have to put it up and to keep moving it until you reach this last position where your cutout is almost on the same place. As soon as you reach this position, you can rotate your left part once again. For this you have to find the position where it can be moved like this. And now we have to move our right part again move this cutout from here all the way back to here. So let's start doing it. Okay, we move it to the original position. Now we have to take our left part and rotate it a little bit to the left again. As you can see, we are halfway to the end of this puzzle. Now again you have to take the right part of the puzzle, which has Infinity name on it, and move again to the right until the cutout reaches the final position. That's it. Now we have to rotate our left part once more, and again we have to take our right part and move this cutout to its original position. As soon as we made it, we have to take the left part and move it again, and this time we reach our final goal to disassemble it. The left part is out. Now we have to take our right part out, and this is pretty easy. You have just to rotate it to the right until you reach this point where it's falling out. As you can see, it takes about 50 steps to take it apart and about 50 steps to assemble it again. To assemble it again, you have to take your infinity piece and put it back to the place. And you have to move it until the cutout reaches the middle of the puzzle, like this. The next step will be to put our left piece back. So we have to put it and rotate it to the right once. And now we have to do the same steps we made to disassemble it. We have to move infinity piece all the way until the cutout reaches its position, like here. Now you can rotate the left piece for one step, and now move infinity piece again until it reaches its original position, like this. And again, move left part once and rotate right part till the end. Okay, and this is probably the end. Now we have to move our infinity piece back to its original position. And that's how you assemble this puzzle. In my opinion, it's not so difficult puzzle, but it takes a lot of time to disassemble it and to assemble it again. If you like my video, press like and subscribe button so you don't miss my new puzzle reviews.